Hello, my name is James Terrell, and I'm going to talk through the new file formats for Reporter in Oasys 20. Reporter data typically comes in one of four formats: a template, report, page, or item. The most commonly used of these are templates and reports, which constitute a complete reporter file. Templates are the framework that we use to generate reports, digital multimedia documents for presenting results from LS-DYNA analyses. For Oasys 20, we are introducing new file formats for templates and reports, specifically designed to improve our handling of new types of multimedia content. The reading of old formats will continue to be supported. The writing of old formats is also still available, although these have been marked as legacy in our menus. The file formats for pages and items will not be changing with this release. In Oasys 18, we introduced the ability to capture MP4 videos from D3Plot to Reporter, where they could be viewed and exported to PowerPoint. At the time, we were unable to save MP4 content to Reporter's own report file type, something we were keen on addressing as soon as possible. With Oasys 20, we are additionally adding the ability to capture 3D GLB content from D3Plot to Reporter. Now, more than ever, it is essential that we are able to save various types of multimedia to our reports, hence the introduction of new reporter file formats in Oasys 20. The new file format for reports is also ready for use with Report Viewer, your new online tool for viewing and sharing reports. This includes dynamic viewing of 3D GLB content using D3Plot Viewer integration. The following slide outlines how different types of multimedia content are handled by Reporter in Oasys 20. This is also included in the new features PowerPoint slides provided with the release for your reference. Thank you.